Here is my 91 Honda Civic Wagon. It's the Rt 4-wheel drive model. Probably about, I don't know, 90% to bare metal. Every speck of the original paint and then the paint layer on top of that is gone. There are some little blotches of original primer. I just, I probably got 20 hours into it of stripping it alone. So, kind of want to move forward. I don't really have it in me to get every little speck of primer off. The hood is still not stripped because I have another one right here, a far straighter one. I believe that on this hood, this may be dented downward a little bit because it has a hard time unlatching regardless of all the adjustments I've tried to make to it. So this is the wagon. I've owned this car since I think probably the end of 2012. Yeah, so currently 7 years, just about 6 or 7 years. Yeah. So where I'm at right now is I'm just about to. I just cleaned the whole thing with acetone. I aired it off with the leaf blower with the garage door open. I'm gonna apply some Bondo. I'm gonna pretty much apply it skim coat kind of over the whole thing, and I'm gonna block it down and then I'll seal it. I've got this Rage body filler. This is one of the best ones that I've read about. I used other Bondos in the past. This stuff's really good. It's easily sandable. So after I find some real low spots, I'll probably apply a couple other coats, and then I'm gonna seal it with this stuff that I got from Eastwood. Before I seal it, I need to look at paints first, because I don't know what works with this, what manufacturers they've worked with. Eastwood's really good stuff, like whatever they make. I bought all kinds of stuff from them. So I imagine that they work with a lot of stuff. So I just need to check first. Down here, the bottom panel, that'll be covered with a trim piece. I still need to remove the bumpers. I'll be restoring those. Door handles are out. Roof rack is off. Only thing I didn't do is remove the window weather stripping, because I started to in some places and it would tear, so I just left it. These don't come off. I removed these, which I've done in the past. They're a hassle, but they're manageable. I also bought a stud gun. I already ground down the welds, but here you can see I probably used like 10-15 studs all over the body, and this is the only hole I made. But so I need to weld that. Here were a few. Feels pretty good. Needs a little filler, skim coat. There are some instances where I'm gonna just get real, spend a few days just sanding, smoothing stuff out, the transition from the outside to the door panels and door jambs. But in time, yeah, stuff like this, I'll get to it. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply some body filler now.
can't wait for that night.